Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you delete your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Facebook app. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application, and after opening, just simply click to these three bars into the top right side and click to setting option here. Step 2. Go to the Meta Account Center. Now after coming to the settings and privacy, you just simply have to click to this Meta Account Center, and from there choose personal details option here and then click to account ownership and control. Step 3. Select deactivation or deletion here. Now after coming to account ownership and control, just simply select deactivation or deletion button down here. Then select your Facebook account and click to this delete account button and continue. After doing all that, just simply select suitable reason for you to delete your Facebook account and continue. Then again click to continue. Now after coming to this tab, just simply scroll down a bit and you can see this continue button here. Just simply tap into that. Step 4. Confirm your deletion. Now you have to enter your Facebook password in order to confirm your deletion. Just simply enter your Facebook password and click to this blue continue button. And after doing all that, this delete account option will be visible. Just simply click into this delete account button here. And after doing this, Facebook will deactivate your account for 30 days, and after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. By following these very easy steps, you can also delete your Facebook account in some very short time. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video till the end.